What's up guys, my name is Shri and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been so long guys. How's everybody doing? I hope good. So sorry, I was just caught up in too many things actually to make a video about the motorcycle recently or for the past 2 months. So I got a chance to show you something that you guys have been asking for it. So today's gonna be about installing these bar end mirrors onto your handlebars. And all you would need is one Allen key, and which is already included in this small kit that you get stock with the motorcycle, and it's gonna be this one. And rest assured, I've been reading all the comments that you guys leave on my channel, and that's so sweet of you guys. Thank you so much. So a lot of you guys have been asking me about these Kemimoto bar and mirrors that I had bought about 2 months ago. These are pretty good, and yeah, you guys have been asking me as to how to install these things on your bar ends. These mirrors are actually very simple process. I've dismantled one to show you guys how to do it, and it's fairly simple. But keep in mind that the stock handlebars that come with the Interceptor, they don't have this small hole in it. But that's okay, you don't have to drill anything, you don't have to like poke a hole into it or anything. It's just you just have to install it really tight. So I'm going to show it to you. So first process is going to be like, so the mirror is first installed on this. You just need, yeah, this key screw goes here, and then this goes here. It's pretty solid, basic thing. Right, and once it goes in, you can just adjust it wherever you want it. And rest assured, guys, this is pretty sturdy. So once you install it, it won't move. And I'll tighten it further once I put this up. And then this bracket is important because, like I said, you don't have to like drill anything. So even in your stock Interceptor handlebars, you can just, this goes inside this, and then you can just put it like that, and then it'll stay like that, but it's okay, you know. And in your stock Interceptor handles, you will not use these ones. Well, I'll show you what these are. So this goes into this like that, and this will go like that, and this will go inside this. So what this basically does is, this thing goes inside and it expands, so it stays in. So I have got the Himalayan handlebars on this one, so I have space for me to put this in. See? So yeah, and this thing goes here. But before doing that, you have to make sure that this thing stays on here, right? Hold on a second. Yep. And then you have to like put this one here, tighten it just so it just stays there for a little longer. I'll tighten this up later. There you go. And then this basically goes on here. But before you do that, you have to make sure that this thing is a little bit tightened. There. See, now this doesn't solve it, just okay. Loosen this up. Yep. And just tighten it. And once it goes in, just make sure that it's on the right angle. and it doesn't really mess up with your throttle, so it should have this small play always. See? Always check it before you do it. And this is secured. Now you have to fasten up this one. So for that you need to do tighten up these bolts, and this is very, very nicely made. So this thing just does not, that's pretty tight. And the last bit, it would be for me to tighten up this, and there you have it. Pretty solid work. And of course you can check it if it's in the original position or not, which it is. So great. And the reason why I chose bar and mirrors on Interceptor is because in the normal ones you always get to see your elbows more, and that's not really nice according to me. So I chose these ones, so my elbow is not visible in this. I can only see a clearer picture of what's going on behind me, which is a pretty good thing in the end. So there you have it. Like maximum 10 minutes tops. That's all you need to install rear view mirrors on the bar ends. Pretty solid job. Next up, hopefully the next video I would be showing you guys how to install an air filter, which is, I'm pretty excited about that, and that'll be sweet. It's a pretty nice addition to the motorcycle that I have, to install a really good quality air filter, so it allows much better airflow. It does not do anything massive to your performance, but it just makes sure your bike breathes better. That's it. And there you have it. Rear view mirror on the Royal Enfield. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you so much, guys. A like rating would be always appreciated, and hopefully I'll get to make more videos in the coming days. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Shri out.